Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth Motsepe, and today's video I come to you with a laundry over the weekend. So I decided why not do laundry on camera, and I started doing this laundry in the afternoon because during the day I was studying. It's exam times and I'm doing online, not online, what do you call it, long distance learning with UNISA. So it's exam time, so I prepare myself to do the examination, hence I don't have time. So I said, let me just do the laundry in the afternoon. I started around 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. in the afternoon, and my laundry was not that much. As you can see, I had one load of laundry, so I did that and I hanged it the next day. So please do enjoy, and if you like this kind of videos, hit the like button to show that you like them so that I can do more, and subscribe as you're watching. Please share the videos for motivational purposes, and I love you so much, guys. This was my first time doing these things of laundry on camera because of somebody else, and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, please enjoy with me. So when I'm done spinning, because I'm not gonna hang it, I just like to fold it nicely so that it cannot be shrinking too much. I fold it back into the basket, put it nicely so that tomorrow it doesn't have to be that shrinky like Madunusa clothes. Those clothes that you get them on the street, those clothes that you buy them on the street, you find them shrinking. You need to iron them like so many times. So I put them nicely in the basket because they're half dry, so that they may not shrink more. it's the next day. I woke up tired. I woke up late. I was just tired. You know, studying and doing house chores can be very weary sometimes. So I woke up around 7. It was hot already. I hanged the washing. There's my boy, my partner in crime, my partner in everything, who is always around me. So I'm hanging with him. This boy. Yeah, do enjoy the hanging, and I'll see you in when I'm folding it. So because I'm going to fold it again in front of the camera. Hope you're being motivated, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Folded laundry, and I'll have to chase him away so that I can work in peace. Do enjoy the folding, and please guys, subscribe, like the video. I'm going to say this in each and every video. Please subscribe, like the video. That will show me that you like this kind of videos, and I will produce more. Ciao, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.